Okay, we're at Park Plaza 2 in Webster, off of Old Galveston. We've been here 3 or 4 times recently for stoppages on this center. We are in the back right-hand corner at a 4-inch PVC cleanout leaving the building. And the back section. We've got a fence over here to our right. That is where we're heading, towards the manhole. Our stoppage have always been outgoing. PVC, 4-inch. Straight out. Coming into a slight belly, that's really not a problem. Back out, belly. Straight out. Straight out. Straight out. Now, we do have a manhole on the other side of the property fence, but it's going to be downstream of where we tie in. Looks like we've got a big root ball coming up right here. Little drop. That's not really anything. That's not where our stoppage is at. Oh, there it is. It's right at the man tap, dude. Huh? Right there. It's all musky, dude. Right here's where my drop is, Dalton. Okay, we're going to run the jet again upstream. Okay, we just jetted from the manhole back towards our tie-in. We're in the main now. I'm by the manhole. It's always reducing food. It goes uphill right there. Let's pinpoint that one right there.
Start there. Okay, yeah, we ended up running the jet again, the manhole back towards where you tie in, and upstream of the manhole. Now, as we have a camera in here, I've got a spot that it looks like we might have a little separation, which is allowing the roof to come in. We're going to mark all this for you, Jeff, and then do an estimate. So if you will have to break, it looks like we actually have what you're saying. Crack is actual drive back here by the dumpster area, but we will have to, when we've met, like a part of this, I'm looking at about, from our mark, which will be in your parking lot, on your side of the street, I'm looking at about maybe an 8-foot long string we have to dig to expose that existing line that ties into the main, okay? And, of course, you know, we're going to want to cut that, redo it all, PVC it, and drop it correctly into the manhole, or into the main line. It looks to me like it's dropping it. And, of course, with all these lights and everything nowadays, what's going to happen? It's going to pile right there, you know what I mean? So, if we put a combo in there, yeah, exactly right. So, we've got it all marked, we're going to turn an estimate in, but as of right now, sir, it is opened up, and this, I'll turn this chip in, USB in, and you should be able to have Donna call my office tomorrow, and they'll tell her exactly how to pull it up, and you guys can video, or you guys can watch it. All right, Chip, you have a good one. Yes, sir. Bye-bye. What was her tips? Do you remember? Right there.
Huh?
Right there?
Right here. And then we'll have trench. That tree right there?
Pretty much.
Huh?
Pretty much.
That's private.
I think it's just reduced. You go uphill.
Okay, I've turned an estimate in. We're looking at about an 8-foot long trench off their 4-inch, and then we'll combo into the main line.